a dinosaur. I love these dinosaur drawing videos. This one was a special request, so absolutely make a bunch of those in the comments for any dinosaurs I might have forgot. But we're going to go over how to draw the Herrasaurus. Yeah, let's do it, okay? It's going to be simple for beginners, and we're going to do it step by step, alrighty? That's all you need to know. It's a short lesson, so stay all the way to the very end, and you'll have that whole thing in your mind. Let's do it. Alright, so let's jump into this. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a flat line top of the head right there. Gonna go, it's gonna have a slight curve like that direction, and it's gonna curve down a little bit, not too far. It's gonna curve up, just a slight curve for his opening of his mouth, and then it's gonna another very slight curve for the cheekbone. All right. So that area is where the skin is. So I put a small line there. I'm gonna go over here, and it's gonna go like curve and then another curve, but the opposite direction, like a very miniature S curve like this. Like very miniature S curve. Down just a bit, then pulling up, and it's going to go up here, so pull back, up. Right on, right on. Gonna go over here to the eye. That's really just going to be a slight curve. There's really no way to direct that curve here. Curve underneath. Dot, kind of a line here for the nose. Then right here I'm going to throw a little curve underneath the eye. Let's go over here, another small one. It's going to be just triangles for the teeth. So right here I'm going to go in, and sometimes I have them curved back because usually animals like that have them curved back. It's to pull in. Alright, now I'm going to curve over here for the neck. That's going to start about this point though. And I'm going to go over here, curve. Go over here, and on that one, on the top over there, I'm going to kind of do this kind of curve. Like, it's going to go down, a little bit of an S curve at the end. So over here, like that. Let's go over here and draw the arm. So I'm going to try to fit this guy in the page because I did not work that out. So I'm going to draw a curve right there. Place my arm. Line. And now it's going to have a curve over him like this. Because he's kind of walking at us and he's turned around doing something. Line, line, line. Those are detail lines. I shouldn't have gone into those so early. Forgive me. Alright, that's his arm. And little line over there. Trying to go off the page and try to find his elbow anywhere below that. And then I'm going to pull back out into our zone here. Down, down for the hand. Curve around this area. So it's like the shoulder from the pit of the arm there. You know, the pit of the elbow into the arm. And I'm going to go straight down. It's going to be slight bubble, then slight bubble here, then straight. Alright. Curve over here for this side of his body. Now we're going to find this other arm. So line out. Find the elbow. Curve in over here. Up over here. And there's very little you have to do because it's kind of around the corner on that one. Let's draw the claws, which I'm going to curve back here. You know, maybe have them something like that. Same thing over here. I think he's got like 3. So. Up. Curve. And then the other ones are just relatively simple. Now we're going to draw a leg. I'm going to go over here. Go down. Down over here. And then straight down. That'd be one leg. Then I'm going to curve the back of the calf there, and then straight. So curve, straight. Go over here, straight down. Curve up, just to kind of get those feet placed in there. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna find the other foot. The other foot, he's kind of walking there. So I'm gonna draw a line over here for maybe the rest of his body. Then I'm gonna draw a line down. Same thing, calf down over here. Straight down, straight down. And then we're gonna go the claws here. So, 1, and this one is gonna be lifting his foot off the ground, so he's not gonna have any weight on it. This one over here has weight on it, right? That's why the toes at the end are stepping down. This one he does not. All right, and then now I'm gonna draw the tail around the corner. It's just gonna be a swoosh over here. Over here. Swoosh. For that. So now we have the structure down. All you have to do is add like little details. So dot here for his eye. Throw thin lines right here. You can throw a thin line right here in the kind of nose area. You can throw a darker part in the mouth, which would make it look better. You could draw teeth behind over there just to make it look better, and you could draw over here like a curved line here for the ear, curved lines right here wrapped around his neck for maybe some folding. You could also draw a thin line here, and he's covered in scales, so you can literally just do these little curves, tiny ones, and just kind of put them anywhere. It's really up to you. Right on. And thicken that line a little bit because this marker I'm using is better. And that is it. Well, is it? Let me see. Let me just darken down a couple little lines. Thin line here for the, you see the flexion on the feet. And yeah, that's the whole thing. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.